What's up, Matt from Urchfab. It's going to be part 37 on the old Mongrel. So just carrying on from where we left off. Need to finish this little corner here. Cut this off in line with where the wing comes round. And then I need to repair, make a piece to sit in here, connect to the sill. I've got to weld all the way along the inside edge of this to connect it all together. We've got to finish this end piece and then we can go on and put that tub piece in that I made. If I can get this done, this piece made, and maybe make a start at getting this boxed in, I'll be happy with that for today. So I think what I'm going to do here, just to make it nice speedy repairs, I'm just going to fold off a little lip, spot weld it onto this, so this little lip will just carry on round, and then I can just put a flat bit across there with a little return lip coming up to where I'm going to cut this off. Alright, I know I've done exactly what I said I was trying to avoid, which is overlapping panels in areas that are likely to see water, but at the moment I'm just at the point where I'm so sick of rust repairs that if I was to come in the morning and this thing was burnt to the ground, I genuinely would not give two shits. Got some other work on the rest of this week, so I'm not going to be in the workshop again until Friday probably, so that'll give me some time to try and get a bit of motivation back, but definitely struggling today. Move on to this bit now. So this, I put a little piece in here and I've actually pulled this, because I did it without the door on, I've actually pulled it in a little bit too far. So I got this gap here. So the door lines up nice all the way there, lines up nice with the sill, but drops down here, and that's where I welded this little piece in here. Alright, so need to fold a piece here. That fold will keep this edge nice and straight. And then we'll just overlap it a bit, scribe it, and then we'll butt weld this piece in. And we can dolly it all flat. Same as we did on the other side. Where I've got that gap here, I'm just going to bend over the end of this a little bit. Right, so what I'm going to do here is fold a little lip, little 90-degree lip, and put it on the inside of this so it's facing down. Rather than, I could just plate straight across and weld along the corner, but I'm just going to warp the hell out of this panel, and it'll, you know, a chance of it losing its shape are going to be quite high. Whereas if this is curving over like that, so if I fold a lip and then shrink the inner edge to this exact shape, you know, I can match it up to this curve, spot it on the inside, and it's going to hold all the shape of that. And then this is thicker here, so I can just weld straight down the edge. So I'll have a lip on here, weld straight down the edge, and then I'll cut this off, follow this line down, cut that off. Just need a little 90-degree ridge in the bottom of here, and then I can weld this all the way around where this will kind of, you'll see what I mean when I do it. Alright, just that bit done. Kept all the shape in there nice. Nice door gap. And kept the shape of this edge nicely down there. So obviously that need a bit of filler on that corner, but other than that, pretty good. It's all sealed, fully sealed on the inside now. I've got to stick a plug over that hole. I think I've still got the rubber bungs that go onto that. So then this tub piece will just connect straight into the top of that. Like so. And that'll be that side done. I'm not going to do that today though. Last thing I'm going to do is take this door off and just weld all the way along that seam. Alright, so pretty much done. Just going to do another row of spot welds along here. Alright, one seal finished. Another job ticked off the list. Once I've got that tub in that side, then I can turn it over and do all of it all over again. I really can't wait for the day when all the sheet metal work is done on this. But that's going to be it for this one. Thanks everyone that watches and comments. It is really good for motivation and actually like keeping me going with this, knowing that people are waiting to see it and wanting to see the progress. It does help actually make me want to do it. But yeah, not going to be much going on this week for videos because I've got to go and earn some money. So I'll probably be back in Friday, possibly Thursday, so it might be a video up Thursday. If not, should definitely be a video up Friday. Not sure exactly what I'll do. Maybe get the tub in at the back there, or not sure yet. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.